Hello everyone, my name is Neelam and welcome to my channel Technical Tour with Neelam. Today I am going to solve the day 14 problem of 30 days of course series into the HackerRank. So let's get started. The problem name is scope and our task here is to complete the difference class by writing the following. First we need to create the class constructor that takes array as an integer as an parameter and saves it to the elements instance variable. After that, we need to create one compute difference method that finds the maximum absolute difference between the two numbers into the elements given and stores it into the maximum difference. So what exactly the absolute difference is? It's just like a distance between the 2 points. That means distance cannot be negative, same as an absolute difference also cannot be negative. Okay, so let's just see the sample input and output. Here you can see that the size of array is 3 and here are the elements, that is 1, 2 and 5. Here you can see that 1 is a smallest element into that array and 5 is a largest element into that array, and the distance between the smallest element and the largest element is always maximum. So we need to simply calculate, we need to find the maximum elements and the minimum elements into the given array, and after that we need to subtract it, and then we can find the maximum difference. So let's just code it. Okay, here you can see that the class, that is difference, and yeah, this is the end of the class. So our first task is to create the constructor. So the constructor name is same as in class name, so I'm just copying it here. Okay, and the parameter of that is vector elements. Okay, let's just name it as vector E. Okay, now we need to save it to the elements like this. Elements is equal to E. Okay, now we need to write one method named as that is the compute difference method. Okay, just write it. Now I am going to declare two variables. One is a minimum and just save it to the 0th index of elements. Zero, and same for the maximum. Max. After that we need to iterate one for loop. So I is equal to 0, I is less than elements dot size, that is the size of the array, and then I plus plus. After that we need to find the minimum element from that array and the maximum element from that array. So for that I am writing here if elements of I is less than minimum, it's less than minimum, then just save that element into the main value. Instead of writing always, I'm just copying it here fastly. Okay, and then same for the maximum. This is extra bracket. Let's just remove it, and then is greater than max, then max is equal to 11. Okay, so one mistake I did it here, that I forget to give the return type for the method, so that's why it's showing me the error. Let me run the code again. Yeah, here you can see that we passes all the test cases. Let me submit it. Okay, congratulations, message is displayed over here. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.